Hey everybody, we're gonna do the oil change on my daughter's 2016 Ford Focus. This is a 2-liter, and so aluminum pan, oil filters here to the left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come under here, put my drain pan right there, and loosen it. It's a 15 millimeter, and let's see how we do. We did warm up the engine just a little bit to get it to flow, and then we are just going to undo it right there where the drain is. And we'll let it drain out completely into the pan. Let's see what we get. There it is. Alright, we'll let that drain out completely, and right next to it is the oil filter, and then we'll get to that in a second. Alright? Okay. It's still dripping. Yeah, but I think it's done. What do you think? You think so? We can let it drip some more, but we're going to put the drain bolt back on. And we're going to clean up the residue. We're going to tighten it without going nuts. Okay. And then we're going to take the oil filter off. And we should try to do all hand tight. Wow, there we go. Okay. I have no grip on that now. There we go. Alright. But looks like there is a little bit of dark oil in here. I don't know. We'll put a Motorcraft oil filter on, and we have pre-filled the oil in here so that it doesn't start out dry. And for this car, it should just slide. The filter should just screw right on. Come on, filter. There we go. Scared me for a second, huh? And it's just hand tight. There we go. Alright, that's done, and we'll fill it to the top, and we are good to go. We'll put 4.3 quarts of oil in it, and we are good to go, as they say. Alright, let's come out. That fits, okay. We are using a 5W20 synthetic motor oil, and we're going to put in 4 quarts, then we'll check to see if we are at where we need to be. Here we go. Alright, we're at almost 4 quarts now. We'll check the dip, clean it off, and see where we're at. And we look like we're right here between the bubbles. That's the other stuff is residual. We're gonna start the car up and see where we're at again, okay? All right, go ahead and start the car.